How to pay with Revolut on phone. You want to open up Revolut here, scroll down until you see the card section and just click on get card. You can use a physical or a virtual card. Let's say that we want to use a physical card. You will go here, click on physical, and then you can choose the design which you want your card to be in. You can order the card, wait for it to arrive, and then you will just follow the same steps. If you want to get a virtual card, click on virtual, then you can get the card for free, and here's how we add it. After you have received your card, you will go into your Apple Wallet, go into Wallet, click on the plus sign in the top right, and then choose debit or credit card. Now from here, it's gonna look a little something like this. You will click on continue, and you can just hold your physical card near your iPhone to detect it. However, if you have a virtual card, you will enter the card details manually. You can do this for your physical card as well. Type the name on your card as well as your card number. Then click on next in the top right. Just follow the prompts, and that is how you add your card to Apple Wallet. And then you can just click it from the Apple Wallet itself and use it to pay contactless. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.